This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Drive through the gate and up your private drive to this spacious mountain home with master bedroom and laundry on the main level, no stairs required. Full basement with third bedroom, bathroom, family room, and one-car garage. There's also a single-car garage on the main level. Step back in time in the large kitchen, plenty of storage, built-in work desk. Enjoy those cool mountain evenings by the wood stove in the living room, central heat and air, and beautiful long-range mountain views from the living room, master bedroom, and dining room. Nice-sized fenced-in yard for gardening or whatever you like. And there's a one-bed/one-bath cottage on the property with a full kitchen and living area. Great for company or income-producing rental. Unrestricted, farm animals welcome. For more information, review the details below.